Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 93rd scenario of Apex Trigger. In the same scenario, we will be using only one object, that is account object. So in the same scenario, we will stop the user from deleting the account record. Yes, you heard it right. As soon as we have a field name as active, that is a checkbox. If that checkbox is marked as true, we need to stop the user from deleting the record. So let's start with this small scenario. First thing that we need to consider is which operation should we perform. Yes, we will be performing the before insert operation because we need to produce a validation. So let's start with the trigger. So I have created a trigger, that is trigger on account. So what I will be doing, if trigger is before and trigger dot is insert, then in that case we will be calling account handler dot handle active check, and here what we will be writing, that is trigger dot new. Let's save this out. Once we are done with the saving of this, next thing what we will be doing here, we will be creating public static void. What is the method name? Let's copy the method name, that is handle active check, and here we will be taking list of account and it will be new records. So further, let's do one thing. Let's take a for loop for account a colon new records. New records will give me trigger dot new records if a dot active. I haven't created a separate field. I will be using a field that Salesforce provide. If equal to yes, then in that case you will be doing, so it will be before delete. So it will be not before insert, it will be before delete, because we need to stop the user from deleting it. And here instead of is delete, we will be insert, we will be doing is delete, and here we will be taking trigger dot old here. So I hope now the things are clear. So here instead of, we will be taking old records. If a dot active is equal to q, so a dot add error, you cannot delete active accounts. Please deactivate same account and again try to delete same. So let's save this out. So now I think our trigger is done. Yes, this trigger is so much small. So let's try to test this trigger. So we will be going on to home. So let's jump on to home record. Here we will be going on account that we have already created in the previous triggers. So what we will be doing, we will make the active equal to yes. So let's make the active equal to yes, and once we are done with this, then let's try to delete this record. So let's make the camera down. Oh, my camera size has been increased, so let's keep it here, and now let's try to delete it. So let's try to delete. If you try to delete the same, it got deleted. It should not get deleted. So I think we have left some issue. If our trigger has not been saved till now, so there is some problem. Oh, it should be old records instead of new records. So that is the issue. So let's save it out. Trigger has not been saved, and we were trying to do that if is active. I think it is a custom field. So let's save it out, and let's see if now method doesn't exist on this is done. So I think now this handle active check should also get saved. Yes, it got saved now. So now let's do one thing. Let's first restore that record from recycle bin. So let's recycle bin and let's undelete that. Why to create a separate record? So let's undelete this record, restore, and let's again try to delete that. So ideally this should not get deleted now. So we try to delete the same. So you can't delete active account, please deactivate the same account and try again to delete same. So let's go here and let's deactivate it out. So let's go down, instead of active let's make it no. My bad, let's make it no. As soon as we save this out, once we are done, now we try to delete this record. So this record should get deleted now. It should not create an issue. Yes, it got deleted. So this complete our trigger number 93. It is short but it is interesting. I hope you like my content. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. Thanks everyone.